The best way to describe demand lighting is that we are a disruptor in a multi-billion-dollar industry. We provide complete custom lighting and manage your installation project from start to finish.
We currently have over 20,000 different products, all DLC Energy Star or DLC 4.0.
These quality products cost less and last longer than traditional lighting. We have no outside distributors, pay no licensing fees, have no third-party salespeople or brokers. We have our own team that handles everything. You deal only with us. Demand Lighting has a history of being nimble, adopting new technologies, and being able to solve problems in innovative ways.
Another benefit of working with Demand is our alliance with Constellation.
We teamed up with Demand Lighting because of their state-of-the-art product offerings, their vision for the future, and they're just a great group of people to work with. Our EME program is recognized for its comprehensive approach to demand-side management, giving customers the ability to fund energy conservation measures in support of organizational and environmental goals. The program requires no upfront capital, offers flexible 36 to 60-month contract terms, and helps you preserve your budget while reducing your carbon footprint with lower energy usage. You can see the cost of the project reflected as a separate line item on your natural gas or electric bill, right next to your reduced energy consumption. You can install energy solutions today and delay EME payments up to 24 months. Constellation also helps you stay on the cutting edge of energy and efficiency by taking advantage of Constellation Technology Ventures product offerings, such as advanced electric vehicle charging stations, state-of-the-art HVAC cycling technology, and more.
Smith & Associates is one of the world's largest independent electronics suppliers. Here at the Smith corporate headquarters, we remodeled our complete facility with a commitment to a sustainable future.
We chose Demand Lighting and Constellation because they were prepared, they were knowledgeable, they were efficient, and they truly made the entire project a seamless project. We wanted the lighting to stand out, to make the building look inviting. Demand Lighting truly listened. Since we installed the new LED lighting solution, there's been a big difference. The facility looks brighter, lighting looks consistent throughout the space. You can actually see a little pep in employees' step. They're happy, they're energized, and I think the lighting has a lot to do with it. For our next project, we will be using Demand Lighting and Constellation again.